Hello, this is Jacob with Environmental Works. I'm at 5227 Southeast 41st Avenue in Portland to perform a video sewer line inspection to determine the serviceability of the sewer line going from the house to the city main. I've accessed the line today through a 3-inch ABS cleanout on a 4-inch ABS line located in the basement. I'm currently in a horizontal lateral now with some water flowing, so at this point I will set my foot marker to read 0 and begin my inspection. At approximately 3 feet, the line transitions to 4-inch concrete, or 4-inch cast iron. Appears at some point we have transitioned back to either 3034 or 4-inch ABS or 4-inch HDPE. At approximately 43 feet, the line transitions to 4-inch concrete. At approximately 54 feet, the line transitions to 4-inch terracotta pipe. I'm going to go ahead and get a locate on this spot. Located the connection to this main at approximately 8 feet deep. Marked out with some white paint in the bike lane of the street. At approximately 60 feet. Go ahead and begin our pullback now with the water off. Here at approximately 51 or 52 feet, we can see a hole on the left side of the pipe as well as an offset that is gathering some amount of debris. We'll go ahead and get a locate here. Located this hole right at the curb line, approximately 6 feet deep, marked out with some white paint. Now back in a portion of concrete. Seeing quite a bit of channeling and exposed aggregate here. You can see damage at the joints of the concrete too. There on the left there is some cracking and chipping. Looks to be just some debris stuck at the joint there. Go ahead and get a locate right here. Located this spot just past the property line, in front of the front yard fence, marked out with some white chalk in the sidewalk, approximately 6 foot 8 inches deep. Appear to have some root intrusion, approximately 38 feet. And alright, here at approximately 35 or 36 feet, we're back at the transition to ABS or 4-inch ABS, and we can see the end of some pooling. We'll go ahead and get a locate right here. Located at the end of this pooling, approximately 7 feet deep in the front yard, marked out with some more white paint. Pooling begins at approximately 31 feet. We'll go ahead and get a locate here. Located at the beginning of the pooling at approximately 6 foot 8 inches deep in the front yard, marked out with some more white paint. Beginning of some more pooling at approximately, or the end of some more pooling at approximately 28 feet. We'll get a locate here. Located at the end of this pooling, approximately 6 foot 11 inches deep in the front yard, marked out with some more white paint. Go ahead and grab a locate here. Located this spot approximately 2 feet off the edge of the foundation. In the front walkway, marked out with some white chalk, is approximately 6 feet deep. And it appears, based on the interference I'm experiencing, to be where the line transitions back to cast iron. Right here at approximately 13 feet is the beginning of that area of pooling. We'll go ahead and try to get a locate here. This will be inside the house, so locating it may be difficult. Located this approximately 2 foot 6 inches deep in the basement living room underneath the couch against the wall. Go ahead and keep pulling back now. Here we have what could possibly be an interior cleanout. Most likely the original cast iron of the line. Also, obviously, underneath the basement couch, likely finished under the floorboards. Go ahead and get a locate here. Located this spot approximately 1 foot deep underneath the basement floorboards. Marked out with some blue tape. Seeing a good amount of channeling and deterioration along the bottom of the cast iron line. Now back in the ABS portion of the line. See a slight offset there at the transition to cast iron. This concludes the video sewer line inspection for 5227 Southeast 41st Avenue in Portland. The serviceability of the sewer line appears to be compromised due to areas of pooling and general deterioration of the cast iron and concrete portions of the line, as well as a hole in the terracotta portion at the curb line, and our recommendation is line repair.